Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Action Learning. Today I will cover how to drive pricing based on business unit, how to avail the business unit to drive your pricing. Let's suppose if you are having multiple business unit, how you can segregate all of them. To avail the business unit, first you have to create the lookup. Before creating the lookup, we'll have to get the business unit ID. So let's begin. So first you have to go to the setup and maintenance under task and click on search. Under the search, you have to type manage business unit. So how to get the business unit ID? So you have to go to the manage business unit task, and then you can see you would have in the drop down your multiple business unit, but directly the business unit ID won't be available. So you have to go to the view, click on column, and you have to enable the business unit ID. So this is how you can identify your business unit ID. So for example, I will select first business unit ID and I capture the business unit name. Now I will click on done. Now I have to create the lookup. So to create the lookup, you have to go to the manage standard lookup task. Under the manage standard lookup task, you have to create. So you can create the lookup. The lookup name, you can put your business unit name or as per your business requirement. So I will put BU, meaning I said BU, BU price, and then I will select the module as a order management. Now this will be user label, the user configurable, and the rest access is secure. Now once you added the header detail, you have to save the lookup, and now you have to enter the value. So make sure in the value how to add all those values. So in the lookup code, you have to enter your business unit ID. So that you have to we make sure. And now in the display, you can set the sequence, which sequence you want to display this value. Same way, you have the enable, and then you have the, so let me just scroll. Yeah. So now start date. So start date means when you want this to be available to the pricing. So now over here you have to enter your business unit name. So let's suppose I put it the USA BU. Okay. Now you have to make sure that you enter the correct business unit name and the correct business unit ID. And after that, you have to save and close. Now, once you're done with this lookup, you have to go to the order management and under the pricing administration. So click on the home, go to the order management, pricing administration. Under the pricing administration, you have to click on the task, and then you have to go to the metrics classes. So to avail any additional attribute, you have to go to the sales pricing strategy assignment. So under the sales pricing strategy assignment, you have to click on the add a new attribute as a business unit. And now you have to select the header attribute called selling business unit ID. So you have to select and make sure you choosing the correct value. Yeah. So I have selected the header dot selling business unit ID. Now you make it allow null. So wildcard. And now under the domain, you have to select your lookup. Under the lookup, you can add a number of values. We'll see. We have created BU price. Now click on OK. Once you click and configure your lookup, save and close, and then you click on done, and then go to the task. And to validate, if you go to the pricing strategy assignment at the header level, you can see. So to add, first you have to click on the rule. Under the rule, you can see you have the business unit. So click on OK. And now if you see that business unit will be added to your rule. And now from the drop down, you can search, your business unit will be available over here. So this is how you can avail the business unit, and based on the business unit, you can drive your pricing engine. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel Fusion Action Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching, keep learning.
Hold me close till I get up.